filmmaking can sometimes be an expensive hobby. I've scoured the internet and found 8 awesome filmmaking tools and items that won't break the bank. And the best part is that they're all under $20. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Item number 1 is a very versatile tool that every filmmaker should have in their kit, and that is a camera lens cleaning kit. Keeping your camera lens clean is essential for capturing sharp, clean footage or photos. Dust, fingerprints, and smudges can affect the quality and look of your shots, and not for the better. A lens cleaning kit typically includes a lens blower, a lens pen, microfiber cloth, and some kind of cleaning solution, as well as a nice little carrying case to keep it all in. This is a small investment that goes a long way for maintaining your gear. You can find a reliable lens cleaning kit for under $15. Moving on to item number 2, the portable LED panel. Lighting is crucial in filmmaking, and this pocket-sized LED light panel is a game changer. It's compact, lightweight, and provides a convenient and adjustable light source for your shots. Plus, it's rechargeable and you can fit it right in your pocket, kind of. This item is under $20. Next up, item number 3, a collapsible reflector. When you're filming outdoors, natural lighting can sometimes be unpredictable. And if you live in the UK like me, then by sometimes I mean all the time. That's where a collapsible reflector can come in handy. It helps you bounce or diffuse light, giving you more control over the exposure and look of your shots. It's foldable, making it easy to carry around, and you can grab one for less than $15. Moving on to item number 4, we have a must-have accessory for filmmakers, the slate or clapperboard. This classic item helps to sync video and audio in post-production, making your editing process a breeze, if only. This will definitely make syncing up video and audio much easier though, and you can pick one of these up for around about $10. Item number 5 is something that you might not have thought about before, but it's a multi-tool. On set often requires quick fixes and adjustments, and having a multi-tool on hand can be a real lifesaver. Whether it's tightening screws, opening battery compartments, making minor repairs, or customizing your camera rig, a multi-tool is a versatile accessory to have in your kit. The average price for these seems to be around about $20. Now let's move on to item number 6, the portable green screen. Getting a clean chroma key can be difficult with a wrinkly green screen. Due to the nature of this pop-up green screen, it actually stretches it out and avoids getting all those wrinkles on it. It's perfect for compositing subjects into a virtual environment under specific scenarios, plus it's lightweight and easy to carry around with you. You can pick one of these up for around or under $20. Item number 7 is a filmmaking staple, a slate or clapperboard app. If you don't want to invest in a physical clapperboard or slate, there are plenty of free or affordable apps out there that simulate the functionality of a traditional clapperboard. These apps can help you sync your audio and video clips in post, mark scenes, and streamline your editing process. It's a handy tool to have on your smartphone for under $10. Finally, we've reached item number 8, the smartphone tripod mount. It's a nifty little gadget that allows you to mount your smartphone to a tripod, giving you stability and smooth shots for those on-the-go filmmaking moments. And the best part, it's super affordable, coming in at under $10. And there we have it. That's a wrap. Sorry, I couldn't resist. 8 useful filmmaking items and accessories for under $20. From a smartphone tripod to portable LED light panels and everything in between. In this case, you don't have to break the bank to enhance your filmmaking gear. Hello everybody, how's it going? If you like this video, then don't forget to give it a like. It really does help to beat the YouTube algorithm. If you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all of the content being released on this channel. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.